Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix currency conversion problem in Shopify during payment. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if you're having problems with your Shopify store here and you're getting some problems with the conversion of currency, there is a few things you can do here to fix this problem, but we need to first understand how currency conversions actually work on Shopify. Now, this is from the Shopify Help Center page here, and it discusses the currency and how conversions are made. So, currency conversion actually occurs on the time of the transaction. So, for example, if a specific customer sees this on a specific price and suddenly it changes on a different price, especially if it took them a bit of time to proceed with payment, we should understand here that conversions or the rates or the currencies are, in this case, will fluctuate. So, for example, if your original pricing for this one is in USD and you convert this to AUD, then the price for itself or the price of that product might change, especially if a few hours lapse or a few minutes even has lapsed when they added that specific order. So meaning the currency or it will consistently fluctuate. So it's not on a fixed price here, but if they try viewing it on the default currency, like for example, if you store in the in the US, it will be shown as USD. But if they are trying to access it in Australia and you set this up to convert from USD to AUD, then the price will fluctuate because it's not the original price that they're seeing. So this is just an explanation here on how it actually works, but how do you actually fix those issues? So most likely, again, if the change itself is very minor, it might be because of the fluctuations on the market or the conversion rates, which is something that we can't actually fix at the moment. But you can try using manual exchange rate conversions. But for this one, this is not recommended. But you can still try manual exchange rates conversions again, because automatic conversion rates are going to be fluctuating all the time and it will change from time to time. So you might want to use manual exchange rates here, but it's your choice if you want to use that. But just in case, none of your problems is for the actual exchange rates here. You see like a big jump for a specific price of a product here. It's best to contact support for this one. So how do you contact support? So at the top right of your screen, you want to go and click on the My Store here, and you want to go to the option for Help Center. Usually, you have the options here that says contact support. You could go and click on that. And from here, you could just ask the assistant, the AI. So this is an AI. You could just ask the assistant here that you want to basically talk to a representative. So in here, just ask like, I want to talk to a representative. And from here, you could go and click on send this one, and it will start the connection process, and they will connect you to a support representative, and they will be able to assist you on any problems that you might be encountering. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lenap. Thank you for watching.